Let's take it over to pro trader Alan Knuckman, the chief market strategist at Paradigm. Hello to you, Alan.
Hello, Angie. We're still seeing that June boom. The stocks are strong and the shorts are still, for now, wrong.
How are your trades coming along, Alan?
All right, we had a Fed pause, but we've not seen a profit pause. Almost every week now, since April, we've had a profit play. Again, we have our targets in place. Last Friday, was a 50% gain in ARKK, the ARK Innovation Fund. So that was a nice gain there. Now, we did have some options expire on Friday. They were June options that we bought a long, long time ago before the market had turned. The good news is that they had limited risk. They died, but we didn't. So we've got limited risk options. You can always put in a stop loss. If an option loses half its value, a lot of times, probability-wise, it could go to zero. So you could use that as an exit point if you so choose.
Tell us about your new trade, which actually has a tie to Spotify.
All right, today's trade trigger, Tencent time. Oldie but a goodie. This was back in the bull days. This is a stock that's at $7.75. Very inexpensive. It's been trading between 7 and 9 now for 5 full months. A breakout of this range targets 11 up above. Now it's 150% off its 2022 low, but it's still 75% off its 2021 top. It was in the $30 range. And $15 is the 5-year midpoint magnet with a gap up above to look to fill. So a lot of positives here. You've got bullish divergence and the fact that it made new lows, but not new highs and implied volatility. And you also have bullish leverage buying here at these levels.
What's your option strategy on this stock?
All right, the way to play TME, a January option, an in-the-money call. Again, 7 is the bottom of that range, so we're looking at a 7 call for January. It's going to have about 7 months of time. It's got a delta of about 70%. Again, that's our sweet spot. We want to buy these in-the-money options that have real value. It's 75 cents in the money, trading for about $1.60 or so right now. Now, if this stock can get back to the 11 level, this option's going to gain more than 100%.
We have to get your trading day takeaways, Alan.
All right, trading takeaway number 1. 15K day. Yes, Friday, the NDX, the NASDAQ 100, the top 100 stocks in tech have taken off. They rallied from that range that we saw from 11,000 to 13,000 for 6 months, and they did reach the technical target of 15,000. Now, there's still more upside left. 16,600 was the high back in November of 2021. Number 2, 4,500 fun. So it's not hit just yet, but it hasn't been 4,500 in the S&P, the broad market barometer, since April of 2022. So we've got within 50 points on Friday. So that's still our near-term target is 4,500, with 4,600, the range breakout number to keep an eye on. And number 3, more momentum. The S&P is 25% off the October lows, and it's just 8% off the all-time forever highs. So the scorecard tells the tale.
Thank you, as always, for the great trader talk.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.